Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. For this video, we got an unboxing. I have a problem and I need to keep building my collection here because I stopped collecting Transformers. Now it's shifted to firearms, and we scratched that new gun itch today against probably my better judgment. But still, we're going to have some fun here with an unboxing. So what we got here is a North American Arms, and it is going to be a mini revolver that shoots 22 LR, 22 long rifle. Now, I'm not big on them. The main reason why I got it because I prefer to not knock it until I try it myself, and I will spend the money myself and try out things for y'all before you spend your money on it. Now, let's get into the unboxing and we can talk more about this piece to begin with. So, we got the box here. Nice, simple, standard gun box. Do a spinny, I guess. I don't know. This is my first unboxing video. What you got there? Yeah, and barcodes and whatnot. Oh, there you go. There's the app. There's the box. There's the bottom of it. I don't know what I'm showing y'all aside from it. So let's get into it. And inside we have another box, but this one is a lock box. It's nice, neat, something nice that gave Dead Forest there gives actually a pretty decent sized lock box. Looks like we might be able to store a compact in there. Let's see what else we might be able to store. I don't think this will fit, but oh, there you go. Caught you before you fell down. You okay? But maybe we fit a full-size 1911. We'll try that after we look into it more. All right, there we go. There's the firearm disassembled and whatnot. And please look under foam packaging for additional materials with which included owner's manual instructions, factory registration card, and product performance advisory. Oh, that's nice. And I don't feel like reading anymore. So I fiddled with this before I bought it at the store. So I already know how to put it together. Just slide in the cylinder. It's also how you have to reload it. You take out the pin here and pull out the cylinder. Now, there we go. And because it's empty and fresh out the box, we already know it's empty, so let's do some dry firing. Nice, simple. Everything appears to work how it should. The handle was a little loose before I started doing this, and in fact, something that's going to drive my OCD a little crazy. It feels like the handles are not quite even, or the scales aren't quite even on there. We'll fix that later. But there it is. Now, if I can pull up some pictures, a big plus for this thing is look how small it is. A lot of people like to carry them because they are so small, and you can literally put it anywhere. What I like to call deep concealment firearm. You can put it in your pocket and confuse it with your keys, possibly. Or you could put it on a belt buckle. I've seen belt buckle. If I can pull up the picture, I'll put it right over where my hand is. If I can't, oh well, you'll have to find it yourself. But you can put it on a belt buckle. You can put them on a little necklace. You can put these itty bitty things anywhere and just hide it. Downside, it's 22 long rifle. Not really known for its stopping power. You have very little to hold on to while aiming. The sight picture is only right there where the hammer isn't, and it's kind of hard to see with the hammer in the way. And then the second you fire, the hammer's in line of sight. But also it's just fairly hard to index. This is going to take some practice and some getting used to if I'm to use it. But it's just so small. But, like I said, don't knock it until you try it. And again, reloading is pulling the pin, pulling the hammer to half cock, and dropping the cylinder out. Now, a big reason why I don't really like the idea of carrying one of these mini revolvers. If I can get that. I'm doing all this through the phone too because I'm a lunatic. But the main thing I don't like the idea about carrying a pocket revolver is there's nearly no safety measures in place. There's no trigger guard here like on the Star SG2C. There's no kind of trigger guard. And with it being so small, there's nowhere to put an external safety either. Again, on here, I'm more of a fan of external safeties while I'm carrying. But again, we're not carrying this for any particular reason other than super concealment. Put this nearly anywhere. Let's see what else we got in the box. We'll put you right there. So what's under the foam? So we got our keys, our pamphlet, and a sticker that says Made in China. Number 6, oh, that's the bad number with a 3 at the end of it. Ooh. It says Product Performance Advisory Bulletin. This Product Performance Advisory Bulletin is issued for benefit of NAA trademarks or registered trademarks, whatever that is, customers, owners, that the use of PMC and Armed Master Percussion branded .22 caliber ammunition may affect performance. I got a box of Remington 22 LR that I've been holding on to for the last 20 years. Any PMC, Armed Core, Percussion. Well, it's nice to give us a warning in the owner's manual. I'm going to turn on my Southern American illiteracy for a minute and not read any of this right here, right now on camera, aside from what I just dudded from you. But yeah, we got a nice little revolver with a nice little lockbox that can hold actually a pretty decent. Let's see if it'll hold that full-size 1911 real quick. You can't go on to the rack. What am I thinking? Ooh. I just got me a new travel case for my... That's nice. I like that. Oh, there you go. They gave us a nice little travel case and whatnot. Little travel box, and it is cut to where we get a cable that we can loop it around. We can tie it to something and keep it somewhere. But yeah, there you go. North American Arms 22 mini revolver. That's about all I can say about it. And we're done with the unboxing. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, I guess. I would very much like to have more subscribers and maybe get paid by YouTube for this stuff and keep buying random things for y'all so y'all don't have to and tell you about it. I guess maybe later this week I'll have a review about how it shoots for you. Just remember, you all stay safe out there. Bye.